Okay, so whenever you want to publish your website, your page or blog post, you have to make sure that all the SEO information is ready, because otherwise the Google won't index your page or you will have really bad results. Therefore, it's really good to double check your SEO before you publish. So, usually you can just publish here, but you can also click this check SEO information here, so you can jump into SEO and preview it, like how this will look like on their social media, but also on the Google search. So of course you can add the image, upload a new one, you can kind of edit the page title and description, and as well use the AI to generate some ideas. Just describe what you actually want to convey in your blog post, for example, and then AI will suggest a couple of options here, so you can just pick one, and it will just add all the information in here. So that's all the information you need to kind of, let's say, add for SEO. Although as well, it's good to double check if the structure or all the links are working on your page. And now we have a new way to do it. So you can kind of go and preview the draft page, so you don't have to publish your page yet. And over here you can just click the check SEO option, so it will actually highlight all the links, and you will have information if the link is broken or it's wrong information about on the page, or you have double H1 elements, so it will double check the structure, and here you have a list of the things you should actually fix. So again, then you can actually just go and see all the elements, like what's the structure, double check all the links, what you have on your page. So you can see that's my link, it looks great. So that's double kind of, let's say, check. And of course, if you have any mistakes here, you can just go back to editor and edit your changes, update this, and publish when you're ready. That's pretty much it with AI. Editing and updating all these elements are very simple, and you can just brainstorm some options with AI. I really highly recommend this. Cheers.